LMN has coordinates at -4 and 2, -2 and 7, and 1 and 0. Use slopes to show that the triangle is right angled at L. Here's a picture of that. We have LMN, and we want to find out if this is a right angle right here. In order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to find the slopes of this line right here that I'm highlighting in pink, that's LM, and this one right here, which I'm highlighting in teal, which is LN. Okay, so I'm going to establish that L is 1 and M is 2. Okay, so that's for the purposes of figuring out what's Y1 and Y2, and so on. So Y2 is going to be 7, and Y1 is going to be 2. On the bottom, we're going to deal with our x's. X2 is going to be -2 or -2, and x1 is going to be -4. So looking at the top, 7 minus 2 is going to be 5. On the bottom, you get -2 minus a -4. That's basically going to add those ones. And so you end up with 2 as a result. And so your answer here for the slope for that line is a +5 over 2. Now if you take a look at the slope for LN, we'll find out if this is a 90-degree angle. First off, let's establish what's our 1s and which ones are 2. So for L, that's going to be our 1, and N is going to be our 2. So Y2, in this case, is going to be 0. Y1 is going to be 2. On the other hand, we have X2, which is 1, and we have X1, which is -4. Okay, so 0 minus 2 is going to be a -2. 1 minus a -4, well, you're going to add these together, and you get a +5. So if you take a look at these two, the slope for LN is actually a negative reciprocal. So this proves that we have a 90-degree angle at L.